Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Ready to remove your information from Zlookup? Follow these quick steps. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. To search for a phone record, go to zlookup.com. Enter the phone number, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Name Lookup. If your record is on their database, go to their opt-out site, type in the number you want to remove, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Remove My Info. Zlookup will immediately confirm your profile's removal. Repeat these steps if you need to remove more phone numbers. Congratulations on opting out of Zlookup. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free, or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.